This is the Samsung, the Frame 4K TV, and it is really a beautiful option. If you want to have something that doesn't mess with your decor, this is a really great option, because when it's not in use as a TV, you have this look of like a mat. It looks like a mat, and it doesn't have the kind of glare like a normal TV would have. And so it really does look like art in your house. So you wouldn't even really notice that it's a TV right off the bat. It's also a really beautiful looking controller. Comes in white that matches the frame, the white frame on this one. And one of the things I love about this is that you can choose different frames to go on this. So if you want a different look, you have a bunch of choices with this, and you can pop this frame off and put a different one on. And I also like that this sits really, really flush against the wall. So that's something else that makes it really look like art as opposed to a TV.